السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. يا حلا وسهلا مرحبا بكم من جديد. Today's video is a promotional video in honor of World Hijab Day. Please enjoy this unboxing from A Queen's Essentials. All the details will be listed below, inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala.
Oh, poor girl, you're so beautiful, you know. It's a shame that you cover up your beauty so. She just smiles and graciously responds reassuringly. This beauty that I have is just a simple part of me. This body that I have, no stranger has a right to see. These long clothes, the shawl I wear, ensure my modesty. Faith is more essential than fashion, wouldn't you agree? This hijab, this mark of piety, is an act of faith, a symbol for all the world to see. A simple cloth to preserve her dignity. So lift the veil from your heart to see the heart of purity. So lift the veil from your heart to see the heart of purity. Lift the veil from your heart to see the heart of purity. Lift the veil from your heart and seek the